Today I'm going to show you guys all my plants. Starting with the house plants. This is my dragon tree. My dad has two dianthus, this white one and this pink one. A red spine pineapple I'm trying to root. A small Thanksgiving cactus. This is my Venus flytrap and it's living with an air plant. I have a dormant amaryllis bulb, one with some leaves. This is my variegated pothos. Some succulent cuttings I'm trying to root. More miscellaneous cuttings. A basil plant. My sister's baby aloe plant. My vanilla orchid. My baby yuzu tree. A random philodendron I grew from a cutting. A polka dot plant cutting. Apparently my dad threw in some radish seeds with them. I don't know what that's about. Pepperonia red ripple. A wandering Jew, bigger Thanksgiving cactus. This little fern got a little crispy, but it's recovering. And they got this earth star. Now for the outdoor potted plants. Most of the tropicals come in the winter. This is my avocado tree I grew from a seed. It got some sunburn, but it's recovering. This big pot has a hibiscus. There's some green beans in here. And then there's a bunch of petunias. This is my purple Bougainvillea. It doesn't have any flowers on it at the moment, but I'm really proud of all the new growth. I got 5 white Carolina pine berries. These are a white strawberry that tastes like pineapple. My rescued baby orange tree. Baby lemon tree I grew from a seed. This is my larger aloe plant. This is a Euphorbia pencil cactus. Got some free mystery bulbs that I'm trying to grow. This is a cold hardy Opuntia cactus. A tiny mandevilla. A cold hardy chrysanthemum. My pineapple plant. This is a ponytail palm that my dad threw some little tomatoes in. I gotta take those out soon. This is a big beef tomato plant, and growing along the bottom of it, I have some basil. The fig tree I grew from a cutting last year. 2 fresh little fig tree cuttings that just took root. This is a Perry's hardy agave. Little baby pink butterfly bush. It's kind of looking sad. Got a pot of all these baby hardy yucca plants. This is my blue crown passion flower vine. My giant tropical Opuntia cactus that I grew from a cutting. A little red hibiscus tree that I got neglected and I'm trying to save. My dad has this random salvia plant. A white geranium I got for free that I'm trying to save. A little baby majesty palm. This is a cold hardy Opuntia cactus variety called Saucy. And this is another cold hardy Opuntia cactus called Desert Skies. Can't forget my little baby succulents I grew from cuttings. I can't fit a vegetable garden tour and a backyard tour in this video, so if you want to see those, leave it in the comments below.